Understanding AI and implementing it in your business in 2026 has never been easier. Even if you have zero technical background, zero coding experience, and you're completely overwhelmed by the AI hype out there, and in this video, I'll be showing you the AI framework, the three types of AI, exactly how they work together, and the decision tree to know which one you should implement first to get results. And just some context about me, my name is Rodri. I work as an AI and automation engineer, and I've helped businesses implement AI systems that save them hours per week and generate ROI over the past year. And I'm really, really happy to have you here. 2 years ago, I didn't know how to explain AI to anyone. So I was just as confused as everyone else, and I just jumped the bandwagon when ChatGPT 3 was released on 2022, and I've been deep in AI ever since. Today, I help businesses implement AI systems from automated customer service handling to marketing systems or internal applications. And on this channel, I share everything I learned and will continuously learn about AI and how to apply it whether in life, career, or business. Because I believe this technology will change the way how we all operate our lives. And by sharing my knowledge and documenting my journey, I learn more, do more, be more, and be able to provide more value to you who watches my videos. So here's the plan. First, I'll break down the three types of AI that you can implement, which are AI interfaces, AI agents, and AI technologies, and show you exactly what each one does and when to use it. Then we'll walk through a real world example using a dental clinic so you can see how all three types work together in an actual business. Then at the end of the video, I'll show you the decision framework, a roadmap to help you get started in transitioning your business to being AI first. But before we dive in, we need to understand first what we're actually talking about here. This isn't another 10 ChatGPT prompts video or some theoretical discussion about AGI taking over the world. This is about understanding the practical AI landscape in 2026 so you can make informed decisions about what to implement in your business. And here's what most people get wrong. They all think AI is the same thing. They hear ChatGPT, AI automation, and custom AI development, and they lumped it all together. But these are completely different tools that solve completely different problems. And this confusion is costing businesses thousands to tens of thousands of dollars in wasted time and money because they're either using the wrong type of AI for their problem, paying for expensive custom solutions when a $20 month tool would work perfectly. And here's the thing. According to MIT research that came out, 95% of companies see no measurable ROI from their AI investments. And here's what we can glean from here. Companies that bought AI tools were far more successful than those that built internal pilots. And this is what we will be talking about in this video, which are those tools. This is the biggest opportunity since the internet boom. Every time there's been a massive technology shift, the internet in the 90s, smartphones in the 2010s, social media, cloud compute, the exact same pattern happens. New technology drops, businesses know it matters but don't understand it, and the early adopters who do understand it wins. And then the late adopters scramble to catch up. And that's where we are with AI right now. And the businesses that understand how to implement this revolutionary technology are the ones that are going to dominate the next decade. And this framework that I'm about to show you is what I have discovered in spending every waking hour of my day learning AI, building AI systems over the past year. So let's dive in. Let me first break down to you the first type of AI, which is AI interfaces. So AI interfaces are web or mobile applications where you directly interact with the AI through conversation. So ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. You go to a website or you open an app, you type what you need, then the AI generates the output. So it's reactive. You have to initiate every single interaction. So this is the fastest way to get immediate productivity gains. Say for example, a marketing team uses Claude to generate email campaigns. This could save them 5 hours per week. A real estate agent uses ChatGPT to write property descriptions, and this cuts their workload by 20 to 30%. And you also have specialized AI like Midjourney for image gen, Veo 3 for video, then we have 11 Labs for voice, and they're all the same concept. You give the prompt, it creates the output. And the key thing to understand here is AI interfaces are incredible for productivity, but they do not necessarily scale. You still need a human in the loop every single time. You save time, but you're still working. That's why we have AI agents. But before we dive there, I'd just like to provide you some more resources. So you can utilize open source LLMs using LM Studio. There are also other models like DeepSeek and Mistral. And if you want to take a look at other more, you could go to Hugging Face and you'd be able to find more models there. Now let's talk about AI agents, and this is where the real transformation happens. So AI agents, they take action for you automatically. So these are the automation systems that connect different tools, triggers based on events, and execute workflows without you touching anything. So here's how they work. We have no code and code based. So path one, which is no code platforms, are Zapier, Make, and Qwen. So these are visual builders where you drag and drop to create automations. Essentially, you set up when this happens, do that. So an example would be patient books appointment, system captures the data, then the AI will generate confirmation, sends them an email or SMS. They add it to the calendar, update CRM, sends reminders 24 hours before. And this is all automatic, zero human involvement. Then part two, we have code-based, but this is for more technical people. So this includes coding agents like Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and frameworks like LangChain and AutoGen for building custom AI systems. For example, an e-commerce store uses N8N to automate their customer service flow. So this handles 80% of inquiries automatically. Then response times will drop from 3 to 4 hours to potentially 3 to 4 minutes. And this is totally possible. And the key thing to understand here is that AI interfaces, they're very, very great for productivity. However, AI agents are for multiplication. Interfaces help you work faster, while agents work while you sleep. And there's a really vast difference on this. And then let me break down to you the third type, which is AI technologies. Essentially, this is the engine under the hood. These are the models powering everything we have just talked about. LLMs like GPT-4, Claude 4, Gemini, these massive models are trained on enormous amounts of data. Then we have SLMs, which are compact and efficient versions. There are also specialized models fine-tuned for specific industries like finance, healthcare, and also legal. So you can think of it like this. AI interfaces and agents are the car. AI tech, however, is the engine. You interact with the car, but under the hood, these models are doing all the processing. When ChatGPT generates text, GPT-5 is the engine. When your automation processes data, Claude or Gemini might be powering it. So you don't need to be an expert in this to use AI effectively. It's like understanding how a car engine works. Very nice to know, but not really required to drive. However, understanding this layer helps you make better decisions about which tools to use and what's actually possible. And the key thing to understand is that interfaces and agents that we have just talked about are built on top of these technologies. You don't build the engine, you use the car. But knowing what engine is under the hood, it will help you choose the right tool for the job. Alright, so let's move to the real world example, which is a dental clinic. So let's have a scenario. Imagine a dental clinic with 2 to 3 dentists seeing 10 to 20 patients per day. Before AI, the front desk is drowning in administrative work, answering phones, booking appointments, sending reminders, processing insurance, following up with the patients. The dentists are spending 30 plus hours per week on admin instead of patient care. Then for this dental clinic AI system, we have patient-facing, operations, and clinical. So for AI interfaces, we have these use cases, which is appointment reminders, post-treatment instructions, marketing messages. So you can utilize, or rather, you can use AI interfaces, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to generate personalized messages, create customer care instructions based on procedures, or you can write promotional emails for services. Then let's move forward with AI agents. So an example of this is an appointment management agent built in the platform of your choosing, whether that's Make, Zapier, or N8N. So the flow is patient books online, system captures data, AI generates personalized confirmation, sends an email or SMS, adds to Google Calendar, updates patient management system, and then it creates a reminder or a reminder sequence like one sent 1 week before, one sent 1 day before, and then one sent 2 hours before. And all of this, it's automatic. It's zero human involvement except for the patient booking online. And then there are also other AI systems that we can implement, such as appointment confirmation and reminders, cancellation and scheduling, and also a follow-up automation. And lastly, we have AI tech. So these are, again, the technologies working behind the scenes. The clinic doesn't interact with these directly. They're just the engines powering everything we have set it up. And then there are other AI systems that we can implement as well. For this dental clinic AI system, we have patient inquiry handling, insurance and billing, patient records and documentation, imaging and diagnostics, marketing and patient acquisition. I'm sorry for that, it doubled. Then we have inventory and supply management, staff management, and financial management. And for the last part of this video, we have the decision framework that can help you in your AI implementation for your business. And by the way, as you can see from the watermarks, some of the visuals are created using Napkin AI. So use this to know which AI to implement first. So what's your goal? If it's quick content creation, use AI interfaces. If it's to automate workflows, we have no-code platforms. Then if you need custom AI solutions, use code-based frameworks. Then if you need software development, use coding agents for faster development. And here's what I learned creating AI systems over the past year. Implement one workflow, just one. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick one repetitive task, automate it, measure the results, and then scale. One automation saving 10 hours per week in 1 year, that's 520 hours in 1 year. Imagine doing high value work using those hours. And that's just one workflow. Now imagine 10 of those running in your business. So just to recap, we have three types of AI interfaces for content and productivity, agents for automation and scale. Then we have AI tech as the underlying engine powering everything. Then we have the real world example, which is a dental clinic. And then you have your decision framework to get you started. You now understand the AI landscape, how to choose which AI to implement first, and the steps to get started. And honestly, choose your AI path. Pick your first project, get started this week, or if you want my help to implement your AI infrastructure for your business, just send an email and I'll get back to you shortly. And if you love the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I consistently create content about AI and how you can use it, whether in business, career, or just life in general. So everyone, this is AI frameworks for business owners. I hope you learned something of value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao everyone. Bye bye.